Let ourselves be happy. Happiness is a choice. Let ourselves be happy. Just because others don't like our preferences doesn't mean we should worry about their opinions. We can choose to be happy by choosing to think in a positive manner. Every person on this planet is striving to be happy. Money can certainly make a lot of things easier, and by that I mean that it helps if we have enough to be able to pay for our bills and all the necessary things in life without having to constantly worry about. In my opinion, living a life of meaning and purpose is the key component in anyone's quest for happiness. Indeed, happiness involves giving freely to others and not necessarily wanting anything in return. We should regularly engage in positive thinking about ourselves, share our happiest events with others, and enjoy every positive experience in our life.